By Gordon Lightfoot. We ready to go? Ready to rock. Here we go. In the early morning rain, with a dollar in my hand, with an aching in my heart, and my pockets full of sand. I'm a long way from home. Lord, I miss my loved ones so. In the early morning rain, with no place to go, out on runway number 9, 707 set to go. And I'm stuck here in the grass with a pain that ever grows. Now the liquor tasted good, and the women all were fast. Well, then there she goes, my friend. She'll be rolling down at last. Hear the mighty engines roar, see the silver wing on high. She's away and westward bound, far above the clouds she'll fly, where the morning rain don't fall, and the sun always shines. She'll be flying over my home in about 3 hours' time. This old airport's got me down.